let's go to GBPUSD. Okay, Pound USD. So, observing the price of the market or the movement of the market, the price action movement of the market on a weekly time frame, we observe a strong bearish trend starting from February 2022 up to September 2022. It's a strong downtrend movement for Pound USD, and from this area of from this level of 1.03574 for Pound USD, it created a long weak rejection of buyer from this level, and after that the buyers have a momentum, strong momentum, and breaking this trend line, this downtrend channel, breaking this downtrend channel up to the previous area of support from this level. So let us mark this zone. Okay, here. All right. Okay. So this zone was retested by GBPUSD. Okay. The previous resistance level, it was retested this week, touching the price of 1.20842, okay, up to 1.21. Alright, so what do we expect for this week? Okay, so after this move of GBPUSD, we expect a pullback, okay, a pullback again to retest this level. Okay, here, let us mark this one. Alright, so we expect the price to pull back from this level of 1.2905 from the previous area of resistance to retest the broken area of resistance, and now a support level at 1.18826 up to 1.18195. Okay, so let's go down to 1 hour time frame for us to check exactly, okay, the price action. So here, all right, so it's very clear that the market created higher lows, higher highs pattern or structure, confirming a strong uptrend. All right, this movement. Okay, so what do we expect? When are we going to buy again? Okay, so for me, it's a buy bias for GBPUSD. But before that happened, it will retest first this area of 1.1900 up to 1.1800. So this is what will happen. Okay, take note that this is only a forecast or prediction of the market, but this is not a financial advice to everyone. This is just for an education purposes. Okay, so from this level, for those scalper, you only decide to sell if the price will break this area. Okay, the price, observe the price to break out from this area. Okay, and then retest, and from here you can decide to sell up to this level of 1.19299 or up to this price 1.18134. all right, so okay, so from here we can now observe another price action. Observe for rejection candle pattern. Okay, from this level. Let's observe, and we will buy the market up to, okay, let's go to daily time frame for a clearer view. Okay, so from here, from this level, so we can observe that the price might create a inverted head and shoulder. All right, an inverted head and shoulder, and we will mark this area also for us to see where is our next target. Okay, all right, so our next target is, we will buy the market for GBPUSD from this level. Okay, from this level, we will also observe this price action. For swing traders, you can set a buy from the level of 1.1800 to 1.1907. Okay, you can set up your buy limit order, pending order, and the first TP is the price of 1.22446. Next TP is 1.24730 up to 1.26323. All right, so that's our forecast for the GBPUSD. So take note, have your proper risk and money management, be a consistent trader, only risk what you can afford to lose. All right, so let's go to another pair. Okay, so let's go with EURUSD. Okay, so looking at the weekly time frame, it is clear that the market was in the strong bearish trend, creating these previous lower lows and lower highs. All right, and after hitting the support level at 0.96253, this was the support zone, previous support zone. As we can see here, the price reacted in this level and have this bullish trend, and then after that it goes back to retest the previous support, and after hitting this support level, the price again bounce back to the upside and retest the previous area of so resistance zone at 1.04688, this level. All right, this was the previous support, a strong support. As we can see here, the price retest this level or this zone many times, 1 2 3 4 touches, and when the next move it break down, the support level was broken, and now the price bounced back to retest this previous support and now a resistance zone. So let's go to the daily time frame to clearly for us to clearly view what the market is doing right now. So here, okay, we see that the market was in the okay, it was in the strong bearish trend from this area. All right. Okay, so it was in the strong bearish trend, and then eventually the trend line or the trend channel, the downtrend channel was broken. Okay, the price breakout from this level, okay, to retest the area of 1.04688. So what the market will, what your USD will move for this week, how the price will move. Okay, so let's observe from this area. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so are we going to buy or are we going to sell? Okay, what do you think? Are we going to buy or are we going to sell? So again, let us have this trend line. All right. So we can clearly see that the market is in a bullish momentum. Okay, the bullish trend under the 1 hour time frame, and now it eventually hit the price at the 1.04688. Okay, so after this, on the opening of the market this coming Monday, that's November 28th, we will observe if the price break this level here. Okay, we will mark this one. If the price break this level or this area like this, all right, and retest, eventually the price will retest again this support and move to the upside up to this level of 1.1200. Okay, so let's go again to the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame for us to have a clear view for what is going to happen. All right, so this one is the daily time frame. Okay, so as we observe, the market is now on a bullish trend under the daily time frame, right? It created a higher high. This was the previous lower high, and then the market created a change of structure, creating this higher high from here and a higher low from this previous low. So it is clear that the market already formed a new market structure or change of structure or change of character, and now the market is on the uptrend direction. Okay, so looking at the weekly time frame, we are eyeing this area of 1.1382. Okay, for the long-term bullish trend, but take note that still EURUSD is under a strong bearish trend, right? So we are just in a bullish trend within a strong bearish trend. So this is what we call trend within the trend. Okay, so we know that the market doesn't move in a straight line going down or going up. It's always in a form of what we call wave. All right, wave. The market is moving in the form of a wave. Okay, it goes down and then goes up and goes down, goes up and goes down. So now, when the price hit this area, this is what we call the area of dynamic resistance. This one is dynamic resistance, another dynamic resistance, and we are expecting the market to again retest this level at the 1.13982, and then it will again move. The market failed to move to break this previous high. If the market failed to break this previous high, it will move again going to the downside. Okay, so that is for the EURUSD. So let's observe what the market will do this week, and always have the risk and money management. Be a consistent trader, be a disciplined trader. Okay, so that's for the EURUSD. Now let's go to USDJPY. Okay, so this is the USDJPY. This is the weekly chart for the USDJPY. So it's clear that the market is in a strong uptrend direction. All right. Creating this structure of a higher high and a higher low. Okay, this is the weekly, and now the market already touched this area of previous area of what we call this area of resistance from here. Okay, let's mark this one. Okay, all right. So what we are expecting for the USDJPY for this coming week. Okay, let's first mark those key levels. Okay, this level here. All right, and here. Okay, so those are the key levels. All right. Now let's go to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame for the USDJPY. So let's have our trend line for this. All right. Right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame for us to clearly see the market direction and decide either we buy or sell for this coming week for the USDJPY. All right. So from the 1 hour time frame, we see that the market, after hitting this area of resistance, the price already moved going to the downside, creating this change of structure. Okay, and broke this level, this area of previous support level here. Okay, that is the previous support. The price broke down, going in a strong bearish market momentum, and now it touches this trend line. This is an uptrend. Okay, uptrend trend line. All right. So this coming week, what shall we do? Okay, let us observe the price action. And if the price from this area, if the price again move and break this level, this previous area of the resistance, it will go back to the uptrend direction. Okay, it will move like this. Okay, when the price break this trend line, retest, and again it will move to the uptrend direction. What happens if the price will not go that way? Okay, so we will go back again to the daily time frame to see, to have a bird's eye view of the market, of the current situation. So this is now what is happening. Okay, USDJPY already touched the area of what we call this dynamic support. All right, this is our trend line. This is the support level, creating a higher high from this previous high, higher high, another higher high, and another higher high. So if the market the price failed to break this level, it will go back to the uptrend direction or bullish uptrend. But if the market moved this way, okay, if the market broke this area, this level, we expect that the market will continue to the bearish trend after hitting this level down up to this support area. Alright. Okay, so let's observe the price action of USDJPY for this coming week. That's for the USDJPY. Okay, so let's go with the USDCAD this time. So we are in the daily time frame, and it is very clear that the market is in a strong the market is moving in a strong uptrend direction. Alright, so that is the movement, the previous movement of USDCAD. It was in a strong bullish momentum, creating these higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so let's have our what we call this, let's have our trend channel. Okay, all right, so looking at this price, we clearly see that the market already touched this previous level or zone, resistance zone here. Okay, let's mark this area. All right, and this one, and this one. Okay, and also this level. All right, so here the market from this strong bullish trend, the market eventually moved to the downside to again retest this previous strong area of support, previous strong resistance, and now it is a strong support. Okay, and also we noticed that the price already in the what we call this, the area of a dynamic support level. Okay, this is a support zone, support, and another support. Now let's go to the 4-hour or 1-hour time frame for us to decide when are we going to buy or sell. Okay, so this is the current situation right now with the USDCAD. Alright, so USDCAD already created a bearish trend in 1-hour time frame. From here, the market created a change of structure from uptrend, creating these lower low and lower highs, and after touching this support level here, as we notice in the weekly time frame, this is the previous strong support, the market reacted and slowly moved going to the upside, creating this what we call this change of market structure in this level. Okay, see this? Alright, and this one. Okay, so that is the current situation or current movement of USDCAD. Okay, so as we go back to the daily time frame, as what I've said, we are now in the strong bullish trend for the USDCAD, and then it created this head and shoulder pattern and touches this area of support, and now we are planning, or we are targeting to have our buy position only after this situation. Okay, so we will wait for the market, for the price action, for this to happen. We are waiting to break this trend line, and after breaking this trend line, we are going to buy. Alright, we are going to buy. We wait for this, and then retest and buy up to this level, 1355, 137164, up to 138724. Okay, like that. All right, so that is what we are expecting for the next week. We are expecting for a strong movement for the USDCAD. So what is the another situation if this price movement will not happen? What is our another option here? Okay, take note that the market will always move in two directions, either going to the upside or going to the downside. So for the seller, this is what we will expect to happen. Okay, so we will mark this area here. This is the previous area of what we call this area of support, also here. All right, so this is the previous area of support. Okay, so if the price will fail to move to the upside, we will observe the price action. Okay, so don't jump into a hurry, or don't decide right away. We will observe the market, how it will move. If the price go in this direction, breaking this uptrend trend line, okay, to retest this level, and then broke this area of support here, we are expecting the market to go to the downside up to this level. All right, okay, so that is what we are expecting to happen for USDCAD. So we will observe how the market will react this week and decide whether we buy or sell the market. Okay, that's for USDCAD. And now let's go to what other pair. Let us see about the USDCHF. Or the Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc. Okay, so this is the daily time frame, and let us see the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame for USDCHF. It's our trend line here. Alright. And okay. And then let's go to the daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, for us to see how the price moved these last few weeks and few days. So here the market is moving and within the uptrend channel of the daily and 4 hour time frame, and the price moved this strong bullish bearish move to the downside, touching again the area of support here. So now, what are we going to do this week? Are we going to buy or sell? Okay, let us first have some our zone. Okay, we have this resistance zone here and also here. Okay, we will mark the key support and key resistance level of the market for us to easily decide whether we buy or sell. Okay, so we observe, we can see that the price already created this double bottom. Okay, let's go back to daily. Okay, this is a double bottom. This is a double bottom structure. We know that double bottom is a reversal pattern. Okay, where in what level are we going to buy? Okay, take note that we are in a strong uptrend channel. Okay, so if you are going to buy, you need to wait for the market to unmask itself. Okay, don't be in a hurry, always wait for the confirmation. Okay, so if the price move going to the upside and broke this previous area of resistance up to this level and retest again from this area, you can decide to buy, targeting this previous resistance of 90.98536. Alright, and up to 1.01759. Okay, that's for the buyer. How about for the seller? Okay, how if the market will not go this way? What are we going to do? Okay, so we will mark these key levels of support and resistance here, and this area, and also here. Alright, so those are the key levels. So if the market will move in a different direction aside from going to the upside, let us observe if the price will break this level, this previous level of 93,480. If the price will break this and retest again, we will put our buy order at this level. Okay, targeting the previous area of 0.91287, the previous support level. And if the market continue to move to the downtrend direction, breaking this level of 0.908.70, we will target this price at 0.89.289. Alright, so that is our analysis for the USDCHF. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and my fellow traders. Hope you always trade with the proper risk and money management. So the secret for a profitable, consistently profitable trader is not to become right all the time. Alright, always use the risk to reward ratio or the RR ratio. Always have your small risk and have a great reward or a higher reward. Okay, do not trade if there is no opportunity. Always look for opportunity. Always look for a good entry. Always have your target profit and stop loss. Do not enter the market without stop loss. Always have your trading plan. Have your risk and money management. That is the secret of a profitable, consistently profitable trader. Okay, see you on November 28th for this coming week. And let's print money. Again, please subscribe to our channel and like and share this channel to your friends, to your loved ones, to anybody that you want also to help them to learn for free about Forex trading and crypto trading. Have a blessed day and God bless you.